You can't make a song without making a story. Even if the lyrics make no sense, they have a story behind them. Even a song without words tells a story of its own. Some are funny, some are sad. Some harbor lessons, some speak of history, of things past. Some are epic, some are calming, some are good, and some are bad. But no matter what they are, they still tell a story. Some can even be made with no music. In a world where people use their eyes to listen, I was born with a blindfold. I use my ears to see what others cannot hear with their eyes. My hands, nose, and feet tell me what my eyes alone cannot understand and paint a song in my mind. I am Annabelle Hughes, and this is my song.